Desktop icons, something all of us have gotten used to seeing on our desktop. There are times, however, when those icons are in the way and you'd like to get rid of them, at least for a time being. Easiest way to do that is right-click on any empty part of the desktop, and under View, when you look down at the bottom, it says Show Desktop Icons. When the check mark is here, it means it's showing the desktop icons. If you click on this, it'll hide the desktop because the check mark will be gone. So once I click this, the icons are gone. When I'm ready and I don't need to just show my desktop and want my icons back, again, right-click on an empty spot. In this case, everything's empty. Under View, again, go down to the bottom. And this time, it says Show Desktop Icons. And you notice there is no check mark. As soon as I select, it will now have a check mark. Just to verify, again, View, and you see it now has the check mark. And my desktop icons are right back where they were before I turned them off. That simple, that easy to hide and show your desktop icons. Stay safe, be free. I hope that helps.